What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can speed up the internet connection speed of your mobile phone. By default, your mobile phone internet connection speed got limited, and you can change it to no limit and increase the internet connection speed limit. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do that on your Samsung mobile phone. You can also do the same with other Android phones too. So let me show you how to do that. So guys, right now you can see my mobile phone screen and I'm using Samsung A54 mobile phone. So open up your apps, then search for settings. Then open it. Scroll down, go to about phone, then go to software information and tap on build number for a couple of times. And it will enable the developer mode on your phone. Then go back, and here to the bottom you will get an option called developer option. Click on it, then scroll down and you have to find a setting called internet speed limit. Here you can see the option called network download rate limit. Tap on it and here you can see I have set it to no limit. In your case it will be set to 1 Mbps. So now from this option you can change the network connection speed limit of your mobile phone. I'm gonna keep it no limit. That's how you can speed up your mobile phone internet connection speed. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.